Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovery Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about gears. A gear is a device that transfers motion from one part of a machine to another. The first gears were wooden and had wooden teeth. They were used in watermills, windmills, etc. Gears are also sometimes called toothed wheels or cogged wheels or cogs. The cut teeth are also sometimes called cogs. Just about every machine with moving parts, from clocks to cars to DVD players, uses gears. The gears used in a car are called helix. Gears are considered instrumental parts of machines. You've probably heard of gear ratios, especially when it comes to cars. The gear ratio is the number of turns the output shaft makes while the input shaft turns one time. Gears are made out of a wide variety of materials. Plastic, steel, and non-ferrous alloys are typically used to create bevel gears. Plastics are utilized for gears that retain little stress and pressure. Also, plastics help to reduce product weight and reduce costs. Most gears are formed with a process called hobbing. Hobbing is when a cutting tool produces a series of cuts within a solid piece of metal. Every gear has extended teeth around its circumference. These teeth are spaced out at regular interval. When one gear turns, it forces the other gear to turn with it. Machines typically use two or more gears of different sizes. One gear is often larger than the other. If we will take two gears, one has 40 teeth and the other one has 20 teeth, then we place them in such a way that their teeth will match each other. Now rotate any one of them. You will find that the second gear would automatically start rotating, but in opposite direction. Every time the big gear rotates once, it uses all of 40 teeth. The smaller one has only 20 teeth, so it will rotate twice. Not all gears are in a circular shape. A few of them have a shape of cones and squares as well. Cone and square-shaped gears are commonly formed by a bevel gear manufacturer. Gears can also be connected by a chain like on a bike. You can often see little gears paired up with bigger gears. One reason to do that is to increase torque or turning power. Big gears turn with more power than small gears. The larger the radius, the more force a turning wheel has. Gears take advantage of that difference. There are many types of gears, such as spur gears, helical gears, bevel gears, worm gears, gear rack, etc. These can be broadly classified by looking at the positions of axes, such as parallel shafts, intersecting shafts, and non-intersecting shafts. Bevel gears are used to change the axis of a machine's rotation. That's especially useful in cars where you have to translate the motion from a shaft spinning down the middle of the wheels. Bipod gears look very much like a spiral bevel gear, but unlike spiral bevel gears, they operate on shafts which do not intersect. Worm gears rotate once for every single tooth on the cog it's engaged with. That's useful for getting a really high gear ratio. Spur gears are the most common type of gears. Spur gears transmit power through shafts that are parallel. The teeth of the spur gears are parallel to the shaft axis. Helical gears have teeth that are oriented at an angle to the shaft, unlike spur gears which are parallel. Thanks for watching this Adventurous Kids episode.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kid!
Adventurous Kids!
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!